Hello and welcome to this lesson. Now we want to talk about branches. Branches are really handy if you want to work isolated on your very own feature, or you want to make some hotfixes in your project and so on, and you want to have that those changes have no impact on your master or release branch. So if it's kind of a safe house for you, you can do anything in your own branch without disturbing your team members and so on. And in this video we will learn how you can check which branches are available on your local system, how you can create a new branch, and this is basically everything for this video. So back to our repository we have created a few videos ago. I just want to check which branches are available right now, and you can do this by typing the command git branch. Git branch will tell you that you only have one branch until now, and this is the master branch. As we have noticed before, the master branch is created whenever you initialize a new Git repository. And if you want to create a new branch, you can also use the git branch command, and then you need to provide a parameter telling the name of the new branch. And in this case, I just say this is the branch A for me. And to check if everything works correctly, you can once again list all the branches you have on your local machines by typing git branch. And now you will see that next to the master branch, there's only a second branch, branch A. The green color in the terminal just indicates that the master branch is now the active branch. And you can see this slide in a different way if you log out the commits you have done so far. And here you can see that the head is pointing to the master branch, and that branch A is completely in sync with the master branch, since we created branch A on the same commit as the master branch is right now. So this is cool, and now we want to switch to our branch A to make some changes. And we already have learned how to do this in the previous video. We can use the git checkout command to check out every commit or every branch we like. So by typing git checkout branch A, you switch to branch A, and the terminal already tells us that we are on branch A now. And doing the git log once more, you will notice a slight different output, because now the head points to branch A but not to branch master anymore. So every change we do now in the working directory is done in the branch A, and master will have no idea what we do in branch A. And we do this by just editing one text file. I choose the a.txt file, and by pressing Shift-I, I switch into the edit mode of the Vim editor, and now I just say modified by branch A. Hitting escape, colon, and write quit, WQ, and now we have edited our a.txt file. And now we can check with git status once more what our current status of the working directory is, and we see, slightly the same as before, that we have now a modified file that's already known to the Git repository. But what has changed is that we are not on branch master but on branch A now. And we can commit this file, and we can also combine multiple commands by typing the double ampersand, saving us just a few lines of writing. Update for a.txt in branch A. I'm just a little bit more explicit here for the demo. And if we now log our current status of the repository, we will see our new commit and that still the head points to branch A as we expect, but now master is not in sync with branch A anymore. The branch A is ahead of the master, so master has no idea from the change we have done so far in branch A. So the branch master has no idea what we've done in branch A. And for demonstrating this, I will just open up the a.txt file in the Visual Studio Code. Then I put Visual Studio Code to the left side and the terminal to the right side. And as I switch back from branch A to branch master, git checkout master, you will see that the content we have already added in branch A is gone in the master branch. And switching back to branch A will show us the content back again. So this is working as we would expect. So this is how the concept of creating a branch and adding new contents or making some updates to the branch works. And of course, it is also possible to not only create a branch at your master state, it is possible to branch out from every commit you like. And to do this, I bring up the log once more, and now I just want to jump to the commit where we created the c.txt file, and I once more check out to this commit. And you will also see here on the left side the changes are completely gone since it is only done in the branch A branch. And what we now can do is to create a branch right from this commit. We have two possibilities to create a branch from this point. The first thing would be to use the git branch command you now already know, or you use kind of a shorthand. You can also use the git checkout command using the parameter b, and there you can just type another branch name. And this will do two things. The first thing is that you create the branch C, and then it will automatically check out into this branch for you. And doing so, you will see that we are automatically on the newly created branch C. And hitting Ctrl-R brings up the back reverse search here, and I can look up the past command git log one line, and you will see that the head is now on branch C. But what you do not see anymore is all the other branches or commits we have done. This is just a configuration of the git log. If you pass a second parameter, for instance, ---- all, you will see the whole tree again. And now you can see that we are behind the master branch and our head is now here, and we created a branch C. You have learned how you can create different branches and how you can jump to a certain commit and create there a new branch. You also know that you can use the git branch command and the git checkout command to create branches. And in the next video, we will learn how we can integrate or synchronize branches back together again. Have fun so far, and we see us in the next video. By the way, if you still have any question about the video, or if you have any further question, please do not hesitate to ask me and leave me a comment below. Thank you.